Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a completely white avatar for girls. Follow my steps. Let's start now. The hair is called Mockery's blonde luscious ponytail. The face is called all the woman pack. I like skinny and short, but you can have normal and short, or you can be thick and short. This hat is called Snow Fuzzy Headband. Put on these freckles. Now this scarf. Now you can hold flowers, and I did a video on how to hold flowers. Now, this white shirt. It's very cute, and I think your girls are gonna like it. This skirt very cute, and I know you girls are gonna love it. It's not working. This one is even cuter though. Put on any white shirt you have. I recommend you use cute white Y2K vintage girl preppy Sappho. And white shorts white socks with piercing. This is what it looks like without the flowers. Bye. My, beautiful. Mouses.